This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by opening Magnifier and positioning your device. First, enable Magnifier in Settings Accessibility and add it to Control Center so you can open it fast. Once done, launch Magnifier and point the camera at the item you need to read or inspect. Make sure to hold your phone steady and use the built-in focus lock when available. This prevents blur. Try different distances quickly to find where the lens captures clear detail, because small shifts change the focus dramatically. Next, adjust Magnifier's controls and filters to improve readability. Use the zoom slider to smoothly change magnification. Small increments help you preserve clarity. Then try filters. Invert colors to boost contrast, increase contrast, or choose grayscale, because color changes can reveal edges and text better. Once you have a view, use the flashlight or exposure control in dim conditions, and tap freeze frame to capture and study a still image. This stops motion blur and gives you time to finally capture and save what you need, and no one key fix if things go wrong. When you see a clear frame, tap freeze frame and then save or share the image to photos for later use. Make sure to use focus lock and a steady grip to avoid blur. A small tripod or leaning on a surface helps. If results are soft, clean the lens, restart Magnifier, and toggle filters or flashlight. These quick steps resolve most blur and exposure issues so you can continue reading easily.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.